Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to rearrange your applications on your home screen. So most of you probably like or prefer to have less application on your home screen so that your home screen will look tidy and not that crowded to be seen. And here to arrange the applications on our iPhone, it's so simple and easy. The first thing you have to do is just go click the applications that you want to move. So click and hold while have a smooth movement or small movement until the application start to be shaking. So I will let to show you by go click this clock. Click, hold, and just like drag it into the specific part. And whenever all of the applications start to be shaking, now you just need to drag the application that you want to move into the specific positions that you want to have. Okay, here, and after you're done, you just need to go click done. And I would like to show it to you also the way how to remove the applications from your home screen. So let's say here I already have this drive, but then here I also already have the drive, so I will like to move or remove one of them. So to remove it, you just need to go click the minus buttons on the left top corner, and after that you just need to go click remove from the home screen. And I also want to show you the way how to create a folder. So the folder is this, a boxes that containing several applications on it. To make them, it's so simple. Just go click an applications that you want to unite with other. So you just need to drag it on the top other application, and then will be bring you into the folders or site. So that is the way, guys, how to rearrange your applications on your home screen. Hopefully the tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.